Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Wauconda, local and long distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the worry out of your move, our qualified movers make your long distance move a lot easier. Whether you're moving one state over or you need to move across the country, we're here to help you. Our moving solutions give you all the best choices to customize your move for your specific requirements. We handle all the important moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you need to hire an Illinois moving company, justifying the cost might seem difficult. However, if you start to notice the conveniences, the price seems to be well worth it. You gain the advantages of conserving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. Movers can also make sure you don't need to stress over injury, since you don't need to do any heavy lifting. Our moving crew can make it easy to get you a new location without having nearly as much concern. 3 Movers understands how to streamline your move. A move that might take you all weekend to execute, we can do in just one morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Wauconda moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.